My dear students, now this is time for internal exams. Yes, internal exams are those exams which are conducted in the college. Most probably the weight of the exam will be like 20 marks. Now the question arises, what is consisting of this kind of internal exams and why internal exams? See, my dear student, the motto behind internal exams is one should go through the topic or chapter thoroughly. It doesn't mean మనం ఏదో ఆ యూనిట్లో 2 or 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి వదిలేయడం కాదు. When you are able to prepare lesson completely, you will be understanding the concept. You will be in a position to give answers for objective type or for choose the following. Means thoroughly. That is the intention. That is the motto behind conducting of internal assessments. Not only that, some more will be there, but చదివేటప్పుడు ఆ టాపిక్ పైన లేదా ఆ యూనిట్ పైన మనకి కంప్లీట్గా గ్రిప్ అనేది రావాలన్నమాట. అందుకోసమనే ఇంటర్నల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మనకి ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్ ఉంటాయండి, ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ ఉంటాయండి. ఓకే, జనరల్గా the internal assessment will be there for BCom students, BSc students or BBA students or any stream like BC or any stream. Okay, there will be dates will be given by the respective universities. In a semester you will be having 2 internal exams. Okay, so here like it is for 20 marks, 2 internals will be there, 15 marks only for objective type and fill in the blanks. My dear students, how to prepare for objective type and fill in the blanks? This is the question. As I said, oksari lesson chadavandamma. If you have a reader or if you are having a study material, just go through once. దీని గొప్ప ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే, when you are able to give the answers for objective type and fill in the blanks, you will be getting ready for any kind of like if any recruitment is there if they give objective choose the following or fill in the blanks, you will be in a position to give answers for that. Now only you start preparing. That's very good. సబ్జెక్ట్ని బాగా చదవండి అమ్మా, చదివితే ఫ్యూచర్కి కూడా మనకు చాలా బాగుంటుంది అనమాట. అదే కాకుండా ఈ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్లోని చూస్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది అనమాట, నియర్ బై ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకే, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు చూస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Maybe alternatives will be given A, B, C, D. You have to select if A is A, B is B likewise. Or if 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are given, you have to select the correct one. If a box is given like this, my dear students, you write it A or B. If not given, just put a tick. That is the answer indicating. Okay. So, and 5 marks for internal assessment. Assignment it is also called as. So your respective teachers will give you some questions and they will ask you to give the answers for that. So what you have to do is take papers and write whatever assignment questions given by them. Don't neglect. This also carries 5 marks. Very, very important, Amma. So, and one more thing, sir, what we should prepare, that is the repeatedly asked question by the students, because you people are first years, Jan now only, it's very interesting, you can ask, but the thing is till now hardly first unit may be completed and we are moving towards unit number 2. Means here till the time of conducting the exam, most probably it will be from first 2 units, it will be from first 2 units. So my sincere advice is, don't neglect, don't worry too much also. It doesn't mean the exams are conducted in college only, they only give the marks and all. Maybe in some or 1 or 2 cases, whatever it may be. And one more thing, my dear students, some of the students what they will do is, if we are conducting exam on a particular day, they won't come on that day, saying some other reason and asking to conduct re-exam. That depends on, I don't know whether it will be allowed in colleges or not, but don't do that. When some dates are given, try to attend and also sign on the uh, papers they will give, attendance papers and all. I wish you all the best, my dear students. Get ready for the internal exams which are going to start